Hey y'all, I'm back with another project share. This is for a swap with Scrap the World. It's a treat bag swap. We were to make 4 treat bags to swap with our group, and the groups had themes of either clean and simple or shabby chic, and I was placed in a shabby chic swap. And shabby chic is not really my thing. I don't dislike it. It's just not my go-to, but I gave it a shot and I think it came out okay. So the first thing I did here is I used this paper pad from Hobby Lobby. It's by Prima. It is called Love Story. It's the 8.5 by 11. And so this is how I packaged my 4 treat bags, kind of like how you would buy gift bags at the craft store, with this little strip of paper that I punched and then just wrapped around. So I left one set open so I could show you each bag. So first of all, my mom did help me with this. I took on a little bit more than I could handle by signing up for this swap at the same time as teaching summer school, at the same time as taking a master's class online. So she did assist me. So 2 of these bags I did and 2 of them she did. So this is one I did. So all of the paper is from that paper pad. And then just real quick, this trim is from Hobby Lobby. I put some stickles on it. I think you can see that. These brown doilies I got in a swap. These little sprays are from Hobby Lobby. And then just some flat back pearls. And these little flowers, the flowers are from Hobby Lobby. And I kind of stole the idea from Tamika. She has a video where she altered these stemmed flowers. So I will link the video in my description. So in this one is just part of the same spray up here. And in this one I used just a little sticker. It was actually a trim, a sticky back trim, but I just cut one piece off. The treat bags also are from Hobby Lobby. I just covered the fronts. All right, this is the other one I did. So more trim from Hobby Lobby. The same paper, has some stickles. I made this butterfly. You can't really see the rhinestone in there because of the lighting. I think, there we go. I made this butterfly with butterfly die cuts from Hobby Lobby. And I made this little flower from a punch that I have. More trim, pretty much. I know I've told y'all before, I pretty much get everything at Hobby Lobby. There's that same doily, more flat back pearls. There's more of those flowers that I made, and then I just put some twine behind it just to kind of give it that messy look. So there is that bag. These are the 2 that my mom did. She definitely is more of a shabby chic enthusiast, so hers probably look a little bit more shabby chic than mine. These little sticky corners, I'm pretty sure she got those at Hobby Lobby. And then some buttons, again from Hobby Lobby. She used some stickles too. This is just a butterfly bead. And some trim right here. This, believe it or not, is one piece, the same sheet of paper. It was just a variety of card-like images is the best I can way to describe it. These pins, I'm pretty sure came from Wild Orchid Crafts, and I went just the other day to see if they still sold these, and it appears that they don't, that I could find. I could be wrong, but I didn't see them on there, so that was a little disappointing. And this little flower, she's had this, she could not remember where she got it. She's had it for years. And then this little trim here is, I cannot remember what it is. It's a type of embossing powder. So she used the stamp and put this embossing powder on it and then heated it with the gun. So I thought it looked really cool on there. And then here's her other one. I really like this lady. She did we did 5 of each bag exactly like this. Fix this from hanging. It's kind of weird. So some more trim. I'm not sure where she got these flat back roses. Those may have come from Hobby Lobby. Here's more of that. She bought the little teardrop pearl with the eye hook, and then we just added to it and attached it to that. And then a pink doily, more trim and more of those flowers, those flat back flowers that she has. Okay, so there are the bags. So this is everything I'm sending, because we always send extra stuff, but I left some open to show you a little bit closer. So here I made some stick pins. This is the way I packaged them, with a bow that I cut with, from my Cricut. I really like to make stick pins, so I try to send them as often as I can. So I made this little holder. These beads, it's a variety. Some are from Joann, a lot of stuff is from eBay, and I'm possibly a couple different ones of these are from Hobby Lobby as well. So it's just a mix. So there's that. And then I made some flowers. This is the way I packaged the flowers. I got this idea from Rosa. She used this trim from Hobby Lobby to make these flowers, so I will post the link to her video where she showed the tutorial for that. These heart ones, these heart rhinestones, are from Hobby Lobby. And then these big flat back pearls, I'm pretty sure are from Hobby Lobby or Michaels. And then this mint green one, I put these little pearls in here, and it's from, sorry if you hear my chair, it's from this roll of trim, and I just snipped off 3 and stuck them in there. So there's that. And then I wanted to make some tags. I was trying to think of some things that would go with the treat bag. So I was thinking some tags that you could send if you put a little gift in there that kind of matched. But the way I made the tags, I couldn't fit 4 in one package. So there's that package I cut this little fringy section here and hid the overlap with this trim. And then there's this package with this trim. So I left some open. So the ones like this, they all look the same. They're all this flowery paper with this pink sparkly topper. This is a Marianne die, Marianne Creatables. There's 2 different ones like this, and each tag piece comes with 2 different toppers. And then this is that trim that I made the flowers with right there. So I put that at the bottom. I stuck this pin in here, and I think this pin I got from my local scrapbook store years ago. I want to say they were Maya Road, but they don't sell them anymore, which again is disappointing. And then these 2 tags. Now these 2 tags, everyone's will be different, because these are just little tag cut aparts from the paper collection. So this is the same topper as right here, but what I did is I just cut this top part off and just used it for the bottom. So they all have that, and they all have a bow at the top, but each background is a little bit different. But since everything is from the same paper collection, it all pretty much matches. And then I put, I backed it because, of course, you know, all the paper is 2-sided, and so that you could write on the tag, I backed it in some white. And I struggled with, should I add the ribbon for the closure, not the closure, to tie it on with, and I decided not to, because everyone's a little bit different in the way they like to fancy up their little hole punch for the ribbon a little bit or not. And some people like to use a real short piece of ribbon. I've received some tags with the ribbon there, and it's so short I couldn't use it to tie it. I would still have to go and add, and some people add a longer piece. So I just left it open so that whenever the recipients get this, they could choose to do their ribbon or not, and then the length that they want, and fancy it up the way they want to, because this is all going to crafty people, so they will be able to put their own little spin on the stuff I send them if they want to add their own little touch to it. So that is it. I have to get this in the mail by Saturday. Today is Wednesday, so I'm just thankful that I got it done. So I will be just getting all this put together with names on it and put in the box and sent out. And so I'm really excited to see what I receive in return, because every swap I've done with Tamika, the work has been really awesome, which is not something I can say has been true of every swap group I've been a part of. So I'm always really excited to see what's going to be coming up. So if you're interested, check out her channel. It's Scrap the World, and she always does a reveal video for all her swaps for each group, so you can see what everyone sent. You can get some inspiration from people. Maybe you might want to join in on her swaps as well. Anyways, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.